Hi dear friends, this is MD alias Gaur. Welcome to new another parts video of Planet Automation Limited. Today I want to describe about the topics connection diagram of Logo PLC. So friends, this is the last parts video of Logo Soft Compute or Logo PLC. My previous video that was absolutely first I was described about this software, this backdated software B6.1 or B6 version 6. I was described initial parts of the video. If you are not understand of any kinds of the topics, or if you want to any kinds of topics of Logo PLC, how to programming, how to describe of any kinds of sections, follow up my all kinds of video. If you missed up any kinds of video, I would request to you please watching the video, and I hope you guys got some knowledge about the topics of Logo Soft Compute. This software, this is B8.1, and this is available right, very useful functions, very useful software of Logo Soft Compute for B8.1 or B8.9 version. So friends, this is the Siemens Logo PLC physical connection diagram. To describe about the CPU of Logo PLC, what is the parts of the CPU of the Logo PLC, I will describe it easily. So friends, this is the Logo PLC CPU, that means central processing unit. Okay, central processing is unit in here. This is the L1 plus L plus M. This is the power supply, 24 volt power supply, and this is the I1 to I8. All is input which is connected to any kinds of devices such as a push button, selected switch, sensor, is accessory. This is the all is your input devices is connected in here. This is the your output. You want to keep for all is output which is connected to any output devices such as relay, MC, SSR, any kinds of bulb, etc. And this is your keypad, and this is your display. Okay, so friends, this is the your main view of a CPU PLC. I hope you guys understand what is the main topics of this in here. Only 1500 and Logo PLC have the display. 7200, 300, 400, 1200 have no any kinds of display. So this is the very useful for any kinds of PLC user which are here seeing the CPU of PLC. Okay, so friends, so this is the input functions. Okay, to I8 all is octal format in here. I went to I8 all is connected to any kinds of input devices such as a push button switch, selector switch, any kinds of sensor, and L plus M, that means L plus M means a 24 volt supply. Okay, all time remember M means your 24 volt DC supply. L plus is plus positive voltage, and M means minus 24 volt DC power supply for DC. And if you want to keep for all is output which is connected to any kinds of relay, 24 volt or 20 to next topics, physically connection with power supply. This is very important. This is our Logo PLC. I was described in here. And this is the SMPS. SMPS means switching mode power supply, which is supply is a 220. This is a line and neutral 220 volt AC supply. Okay, and this is your output B minus and B plus. This is a 24 volt DC which is connected to the of our CPU of Logo PL, which is connected to this power supply. This is a switching mode power supply which is input is 20 voltage and output is 24 voltage DC. Okay, supply from the main line to 220 voltage AC supply, and this is the 24 volt DC supply connected to the L1 plus M, that means 24 voltage supply got this PLC. This is a push button switch. All is I1 to I8. All is push button switch which is connected. Short term system connected to this in here, and this all is a push button switch. All switch short side connection to the positive 24 voltage. Input controlling side, all is input functions, and this is the output. Okay, so friends, this is the input controlling side. So your all input devices which is connected in here, and this is the your output. This is the I1, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2, all is 1 on 1 is connected to this plus. Okay, B plus 24 volt, and this is the your output. Out one terms, one side is short with the 2, and another one is short. Absolutely, output will be short and it's going to this negative. Okay, negative terminal. This is the main parts of the Logo PLC connection diagram, physical any kinds of connection diagrams of Logo PLC. I hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. Follow the next video tutorial. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Dear viewers, if you like video of Planet Automation Limited, please subscribe the channel and then click the bell icon. This process will never miss another new update.